Yeah, Almas, you may
I will
start.
read. Yeah.
Yeah, please. And this is for the people who have children at home, how to teach your children to do mirror work. And if you happen to be a teacher, or if you happen to be a mentor to somebody, you can start teaching them also, right? Children means anybody who's ready to learn.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Day 20.
Day 20, teaching mirror work to children. Children also face the stress of life. Today, you learn how to practice mirror work with little ones and you watch the miracles that happen.
ओके सो आजकल आपको लगता है बच्चों को स्ट्रेस है?
No.
छोटे छोटे बच्चों को कितना स्ट्रेस है?
Yes, ma'am.
स्कूल का, पढ़ाई का, फिर हमको उनको कॉम्पिटिटिव बना देते हैं, नहीं नहीं तुझे उससे ज्यादा नंबर लेके आने हैं, देखो वो कितना अच्छे से पढ़ता है, देखो उसके कितने अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, वो कितनी जल्दी सीखता है, आप क्यों नहीं सीखते हो? So we are actually giving them all these self-talk, which they will start doing with them on their own selves. And not only us, it's the teachers, it's the peers, it's the neighbors, it's our relatives. Whatever people are saying is actually creating stress for them because they have also started reacting from fear to the changes in their life. Because life में कुछ भी change हो रहा है तो हमने उनको भी fearful बना दिया है. Because of our surroundings, our environment, they are also stressful. हम कहते हैं ना आजकल कहते हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चों को कितना स्ट्रेस है, अभी से चश्मे लग गए हैं, अभी से देखो कितने बुझे बुझे से हैं, खेलते ही नहीं है बाहर, हंसते ही नहीं है बच्चे, जब देखो बस एक ट्यूशन से दूसरी ट्यूशन, एक क्लास से दूसरी क्लास, अच्छा ये वाली क्लास हो गई तो अच्छा अब तुम कुछ डांस सीख लो, आज अब तुम कुछ मार्शल आर्ट सीख लो. हम लोगों ने उनको इतना बर्डन कर दिया ना, दे आर सो स्ट्रेस्ड. बट अगर इसके साथ साथ जो हमने इतना कुछ उनके ऊपर लाद रखा है करने के लिए, टू प्रूव देमसेल्व्स दैट दे आर बेटर देन द अदर्स, तो इमेजिन करो अगर हम उनको मिरर वर्क सिखा दें अभी से, and they will start learning how to deal with things because they know they can, because they will start believing in themselves, and they will not start their file, I'm not good enough, or maybe it has already started, but they will not put too many things into that file to make it the most heaviest file in their life, which we most of us have done it for ourselves. Yeah.
You are nearly at the end of this course and you are doing beautifully. I applaud your commitment and dedication. Every day you practice your mirror work, you are giving yourself the gift of love. And every day you practice your mirror work, you are letting go of old negative beliefs you have been carrying around for so long. Where did these negative beliefs come from? We picked them up as children. We absorbed every word that was said to us. The more we heard our parents or other adults saying negative things about us, the more we believed them. Growing up, we often called one another cruel and hurtful names and belittled one another. But why did we do this? Where did we learn such behavior? Many of us were told by our parents or teachers that we were stupid or dumb or lazy, that we were troublemakers or not good enough. Maybe we cringed when we heard these statements, but we believed them. Little did we realize how much these beliefs hurt or how deeply embedded our pain and shame would become.
Yeah, pause. Now, when you're reading this, are you getting present to it कि आप अपने बच्चों को क्या दे रहे हो. You want to give the best to your children, but this is what you're giving to the children. आप जितना भी प्यार दे रहे हो, जितना भी उनको पैम्पर कर रहे हो, जितनी भी चीजें ला ला के दे रहे हो उनको, but if you're saying things like this, ये तो पागल है, stupid है, is so dumb. कितना झगड़ालू है, जिससे देखो झगड़ा करता रहता है. क्यों लड़ते हो इतने? आपने क्या बोला और क्या उसने क्या समझा उसको, और वो किस तरह से उसकी लाइफ को इम्पैक्ट करने वाला है, आपको पता ही नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली नहीं पता है. पता होता तो थोड़ी बोलते आप, बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट योर चिल्ड्रन टू सफर. But these things are getting filed in their subconscious mind. And these are the self-talks they will be doing with their own selves. और ये हमने अनजाने में किया है. But now we are aware of it. Now is the time to do the, उसको किस तरह से ठीक करे जो आपने गलत कर दिया उनके साथ, या आपने जिस तरह से भी कर दिया जितनी. And you were doing your best, by the way. Always remember this. You are doing your best in the given circumstances with the knowledge, with the experience, whatever you have. जितनी समझ, जितना एक्सपीरियंस, जितना ज्ञान आपको है, उसके हिसाब से आप हर टाइम पर अपना बेस्ट ही कर रहे हो, और अभी भी कर रहे हो बेस्ट. बट नाउ इज द टाइम फॉर रियलिटी चेक कि वो बेस्ट जो हम अभी तक कर रहे थे, इज इट बेस्ट टुडे आल्सो? इफ इट इज नॉट, लेट्स डू द अमेंडमेंट्स. या
Look back at some of the more difficult lessons of this course. Lessons in which you uncovered beliefs that were blocking you. When you did your mirror work and journaling, did you find that those beliefs often stemmed from past hurts from your childhood? I was not taught in school that my choice of words would have an effect on my life. No one taught me that my thoughts were creative, that they would literally shape my destiny, or that what I gave out verbally would return to me as life experiences. No one ever taught me that I was worth loving or that I deserved to have good things happen to me. Certainly, nobody taught me that life was here to support me. We can change. Yeah.
One second. So when we read this book, we realized it, na? Something we realized when we are doing magic, that our thoughts creates, whatever we manifest in our life. Now it says whatever we think, we feel and speak. जो भी हम बोलते हैं, जो भी हम सोचते हैं, that is what is life bringing to us. हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइफ में वैसे ही होते हैं. आप जो बोलते हो, लाइफ आपको वही एक्सपीरियंस देती है. जो आप बिलीव करते हो, लाइफ आपको वैसा ही एक्सपीरियंस देती है. So we never knew this earlier on. It's only after we started, we watched Magic, Secret, and we started working on magic, we started understanding this and realizing this. Now we have gone one step forward and we have realized this, that all this is stemming out of the beliefs we have, taken on or imbibed in ourselves and made them our own beliefs, which is actually giving us the kind of experiences we have in life, whether it is to do with our health, money, career, relationship, anything. जो भी हम सोच रहे हैं, जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं, वो हमारे पास से आ रहा है. It is coming from our past beliefs which we have created. Now, how did we create that? That also we have learned that it was from the environment. Our parents, all the adults around us, whatever opinions they shared, whatever opinions they had certain beliefs based on that. And because of their beliefs, we started believing them and they became our beliefs. and our reality now. And that is what the life experiences we are having right now. That is what we realized it after reading these two books. That is what she says कि स्कूल में किसी ने नहीं पढ़ाया था. That is why it is very important that we start teaching magic. We start teaching, the attitude of gratitude to children in school itself. And we start teaching them mirror work when they are young enough so that they create their life now, right now, the way they want to live. ऐसे थोड़ी बोलते हैं you are the Michelangelo of your own life. You write your own scripts. But वो script लिखनी कैसे है वो भी तो बताना पड़ेगा ना. तो script लिखने के लिए ये एक tool है mirror work which will help them to overcome whatever the hurdles or the blockages they had created जिसकी वजह से उनको कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था. Now they will be able to get some sunshine, some light from somewhere to create their own reality. Right? Yeah, please read.
Yes. We can change all that for our children now. One of the most important things we can do for them is to remind them of the basic truth that they are lovable. Our role as parents is not to be perfect, to get everything right, but to be loving and kind. Children today have a lot more issues to deal with than we did when we were their age. They were steadily barraged with news about the critical state of the world and are continually having to make complex choices. How children handle these challenges is a direct reflection of how they truly feel about themselves. The more children love and respect themselves, the easier it will be for them to make the right choices in life. It is important that we instill in our children a sense of independence and power and the knowledge that they can make a difference in today's world. Above all, it is important to teach them to love who they are and to know that they are good enough to matter what.
Okay, pause. So if you see, अपना childhood याद करो और आज के बच्चों का childhood देखो. There's a drastic difference. हम लोग जब बच्चे थे तो इतने ज्यादा information नहीं थी, internet नहीं था. You were not flooded with so much of things that you ought to know, or by default you come to know. हम लोग जब छोटे थे तब भी कुछ महामारियां आई थी पर हमें नहीं पता चला था कितनी महामारी का इतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है या इतने लोग मर गए या ये हो गया या वो हुआ होगा. बट वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. आई डोंट रिकॉल एनी सच थिंग. इट्स नॉट दैट कि नहीं हुआ. हाँ, एक मुझे 2001 का जो अर्थक्वेक आया था वो अच्छे से याद है कि उस टाइम पे जब भुज में वो इतना ज्यादा तबाही हुई थी, इतने ज्यादा. इवन माय हाउस, इट वाज इतनी जोर से shaking, it was shaking when the earthquake came. That I remember and the kind of impact it had. But I don't remember anything else, any other natural calamity or any other mahamari or anything like that, epidemic or something. No, I don't remember. But look at the children today. They are fed this information every single day from every source. जो बच्चों ने पिछले 2 साल में जितना एब्जॉर्ब किया होगा ये इंफॉर्मेशन, हमने शायद पूरी जिंदगी में नहीं किया होगा. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very true.
इतना information on WhatsApp or on TVs or everywhere, like it was flooded. तो सोचो उनको कितना कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा, कितना कुछ समझना पड़ेगा और कितने fearful होंगे वो ये सब देख देख के, because they don't know how to deal with it. overflow of information is so dangerous because they don't know how to manage it. But they are facing it. They're facing it every single day. Other than only, I'm not talking about only about pandemic. I'm talking about so many other things which are there because now everybody is on internet. Everybody is, even the school children are having their classes on Zoom and internet. So do you think they don't have access to other informations? Of course they have.
Sorry.
And how confusing and how, burdening it must be for them. तभी तो वो केयरफ्री नहीं है आजकल के बच्चे. आपने देखा है बच्चों को बाहर खेलते हुए खिलखिलाते हुए? Everybody seems so serious. बस पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. इतने % नंबर आएंगे तो मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में जा पाऊंगा, तो नहीं तो मेरी कंपटीशन में वो आगे बढ़ जाएगा ना. Everything is just like that. वो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड से बात क्यों करता है, इसका मतलब मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ. छोटे छोटे बच्चों के गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड्स हैं आजकल. That girl is not talking to me these days. She's always with talking to that guy. Why? Because maybe I'm not good enough. मेरी पढ़ाई में अच्छे नंबर नहीं आते या मेरे पास अच्छे कपड़े नहीं हैं. You know the kind of complexes it is giving to the children right now. They have so much of stress. And if only we can tell them that they are lovable, they are good enough, that will give them so much of confidence to deal with all this जो इतना ज्यादा जो दुनिया भर का बोझ उनके सर पे डला हुआ है. Because if we also tell them you are not good enough, तुझे तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता, 10 बार बोलो तब जाके एक काम करता है. कितनी बार बोला अपना कमरा साफ करने के लिए, सुनता ही नहीं है, असर ही नहीं होता. ढीठ है, कितना ढीठ है. And all these things you don't even realize is getting filed in you're not good enough. Give them love, make them feel that they are lovable no matter what. वो जैसे भी हैं, they are lovable. Yeah, please read.
It is important that we instill in our children a sense of independence and power and the knowledge that they can make a difference in today's world. Above all, it is important to teach them to love who they are and to know that they are good enough no matter what. Young people are looking up to us and listening to every word we say. Be a shining example of positive statements and affirmations. When you begin to believe them, so will your children. Nurture the children in your life just as you are learning to nurture yourself. Remember, nobody has the perfect child or the perfect parent. We are bound to make poor choices at one time or another. That is simply part of the learning and growing process. What is important is to love your child unconditionally and, most important, to love yourself unconditionally. Then watch the miracles happen for your children as well as for yourself. Let's affirm, I can be what I want to be. I can do what I want to do.
Yeah.
All life supports me.
Yeah. So if you start believing in yourself, if you start loving yourself unconditionally, and वो देखेंगे आपको ऐसे करते हुए, they will also start learning from it. 70% children learn from what they see around themselves in their families. 30% is what they learn from the outside, चाहे वो classes में हो, चाहे वो tuitions में हो, जहां से भी वो सीखते हैं वो 30% होता है, चाहे वो कॉलेज से सीख रहे हैं, स्कूल से सीख रहे हैं, 70% वो घर से ही सीख रहे होते हैं. So if you start leading by example, if you are nurturing yourself, if you are learning to love yourself, and you start teaching them the same thing, they will start imbibing that in their life. और गलतियां तो सबसे होती हैं, हमने भी करी हैं, आज भी कर रहे हैं, कल भी करेंगे, because that is a process of life. क्योंकि हम सीखते ही, गलती करके ही सीखते हैं. वैसे कोई सिखाना चाहे तो शायद ना भी सीखें, पर जब खुद गलती करते हैं तो हम सीखते हैं. So that's okay. These are the choices we make at every given point of time. आपने जो choice उस time की, maybe that was not the right choice, but that is fine. You know that. You know that now that it was not a good choice. And what is the learning from there? You just have to take the learning. You don't have to get sucked into that emotion कि मैंने ये ऐसे कैसे कर दिया, मैंने उस time ये क्यों किया. No, you have to just take the learning out of it and move forward. So similarly, children will also start learning that at every given time, no matter what they do, no matter how they feel about themselves, the only thing you need to do is give them unconditional love and make them believe that they are lovable, that they are unique, they are beautiful, they are amazing. But how will you say that if they have done some mistake? That is what you need to find out. कि आप उनको जब वो गलती करते हैं उसके बावजूद भी आप उनसे प्यार कैसे कर सकते हो, उनको ये कैसे जता सकते हो कि हाँ तुमने गलती करी बट मैं तुमसे फिर भी प्यार करती हूँ, and I'm always there with you. I will always guide you to take the right decision. This is how, I don't know how you're going to create that kind of a bond. That needs to be worked out, because first you need to work out on yourself. And once you get the hang of it, जब आपको समझ आ जाए कि अपने आप से प्यार कैसे करना है, unconditional love कैसे करना है, no matter what. आपने कुछ गलत किया, fine, go and tell yourself in the mirror. कर दिया ना, कोई बात नहीं, सीख लिया ना इससे कुछ, चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब आगे चलो, आगे से तो समझ आ गई ना ऐसे नहीं करना है. So that's fine, it's okay, I love you and I'll still love you no matter what. And if you start doing this to your own self, you will be able to teach your children about the same thing, and they will have a different life altogether, which you can see right now. अगर बच्चे आपके अभी से वो वाली फाइल बंद करना शुरू कर दे, that I am not good enough, and have confidence in themselves, believe in themselves, what kind of life they're going to have. Yes, let's do the mirror work.
Yes. Your day 20 mirror work exercise. I would like you to watch a video of a sweet little girl doing her affirmations. It's called Jessica's Daily Affirmation, and you can see it at www.youtube.com. Watch. That is the link, I think, given.
Yeah, we'll
So,
see.
We can watch it later, right? Or
Yeah, we will watch it later. You just keep reading it.
Yeah. To watch this video with your child or any child in your life, even with your inner child. 3. Ask your child to do its own daily affirmation, just as Jessica did in the video. Ask the child what it is happy about and have it tell that to the mirror. 4. You can start this exercise by doing your own mirror work and inviting your child to join in. Say simple affirmations like, I love you. I love everything about you. I'm great. I'm beautiful. I have cool hair. I can dance like a TV star. 5. Schedule a time every day to do mirror work with your child, even if only for a few minutes in the morning.
Yeah, so what you need to do is watch this video about, we will share the link in the group, and then do the mirror work yourself and let your child pick his or her own affirmations. Like Daksh has already started doing that. सो आप भी अपने बच्चों को ये वीडियो दिखाएं एंड लेट देम पिक the affirmations they want to start practicing. And even better if you can do the mirror work along with your child. आप उसको अपने साथ लाएं मिरर के सामने and then both of you do it together. You do it together. Yeah. And what it is suggesting is so that you don't miss out on it, fix a time every day. आपको अपना schedule पता है, आपको अपने बच्चों का schedule पता है. Fix a time of say around 5 minutes or 10 minutes every day with your child, have a date with your child and the mirror and do this exercise together. Yeah, that is what is the mirror work exercise for today. Let's see the journaling part of it.
Yes. The power is within you. Your day 20 journaling exercise. 1. Begin today's journaling exercise by reading a story excerpted from my book, The Adventures of Lulu. You can access it by visiting www.lewishay.com, learning mirror work. Have drawing paper, colored pencils, colored markers, crayons, and glue ready, and ask your children to draw a magic mirror to go to, just as Lulu does in the book. Encourage the child to decorate the mirror. Glue pretty pictures around it. Add glitter and sparkles to the frame. Cover it in a light of color. 3. With your child, take turns looking in the magic mirror and saying wonderful things about yourself. 4. Write down the positive statements you and your child say so you can repeat them when you do your your morning mirror work together.
Okay, so you can ask your children to make this mirror or you can ask your inner child to make this. Like we drew that picture. हमने अपनी photo बनाई थी ना left hand से. It was so much of
Yes.
fun. So today you can do this. You can create a mirror, magic mirror yourself with the colors and उसको अच्छे से frame बना के glitter sparkle करके and all. So you can start doing that and imagine that that is a magic mirror and say your affirmations, whatever affirmations you have created for yourselves in that mirror. And then see how you're feeling about it when you're doing that exercise. And whatever your experience is, just write it down in your journal every day. Yeah. And let the inner child connect with your children around you and let's have fun. Yeah. And people who don't have children at home, they can become children themselves and create this. Yeah. Okay. Your heart thought.
Yes. We can bring our inner child. We
Yes.
can speak to our inner child. Yeah.
Yes.
Your
do create that magic mirror yourself. I'm going to do it. So you also,
Yes.
everybody create that magic mirror. Yeah.
Yes.
And share it in the group. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Your heart thought for day 20. I communicate openly with my children. It is vitally important to keep the lines of communication open with children, especially during the teen years. So often, children are told things like, don't say that, don't do that, don't feel that, don't be that way, don't express that. When all that they hear is don't, they stop communicating. Then, when the children are older, parents complain, my children never call me. Why don't they call? Because the lines of communication have been cut, that's why. When you are open with your children using positive statements like, it's okay to feel sad, and you can talk to me about it, and you encourage them to share their feelings, the lines of communication will be restored. Should I read the meditation?
No, I just wanted to create something here. So people who have teenagers at home, na, I've coached number of women who are having this issue that बच्चे सुनते नहीं है, बात ही नहीं करते हैं, अपनी चलाते हैं, बात करते रहो, अपनी मर्जी की करते रहते हैं. So you have cut that, line of communication with them. क्योंकि आप ना उनसे बात ही नहीं कर रहे हो, आप उनको समझ ही नहीं रहे हो. You're only just telling them, especially to the girls, लड़कों के साथ मत खेलो, लड़कों के साथ बाहर मत जाओ, you're going out for a party with your friends, कितने लड़के साथ जा रहे हैं, कौन कौन जा रहा है, you're just trying to, it's good to be cautious, it is good to be concerned about your children, but there is a way to communicate. And if suddenly you see your child feeling too depressed and all, you don't even know what is the reason. Maybe that girlfriend or a boyfriend ditched her or him, and you don't even know about it. But if you keep that line of communication open with them, you become more like a friend, because in teenagers' years, that is a time to build that kind of a bridge, so that they are able to share everything with you. Because otherwise, they will go their own way. And after that, you will be complaining that मेरे बच्चे मुझसे बात ही नहीं करते हैं. They don't even have time to sit with me. They don't share anything with me. उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है हमें बताते ही नहीं है. अपने सारी मर्जी से डिसीजंस लेते रहते हैं और हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं होता उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. So that is why, because you have not created that line of communication with them. Keep that line of communication open with them. That is only possible when you are not judging them, when you're not making them wrong, when you are telling them, I am always there with you, no matter what. कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, because I love you, because I know you are a wonderful child. I know you are unique, I know you are amazing. I know you are capable. When you start saying these kinds of things to them, they will keep that line of communication open with you, because they will feel safe and secure talking to them. But in our own way, we just push them away from ourselves. And that is what I've seen in most of the cases. Whoever came for coaching to me, like they have actually pushed their children away from themselves because of this line of communication, which they have, cut it somewhere. Yeah, let's do the meditation part of it.
Yes. Your day 20 meditation. Welcome the child. Day 20 of the audio download. Place a hand over your heart. Close your eyes. Allow yourself not only to see your inner child, but also to be that child. Ask someone to read the following paragraph to you. Imagine you are hearing your parents tell you, "We are so glad you came. We have been waiting for you. We wanted you so much to be part of our family. You're so important to us. The family wouldn't be the same without you. We love you. We want you to hold you. We want to help you grow up to be all that you can be. You don't have to be like us. You can be yourself. We love your uniqueness. You are so beautiful. You are so bright. You are so creative. It gives us such pleasure to have you here. We thank you for choosing our family. We know you are blessed. You have blessed us by coming. We love you. We really love you. Let your little child make these words true for you. Be aware that every day you can look in the mirror and say these words. You can tell yourself all the things you wanted your parents to tell you. Your little child needs to feel wanted and loved. Give that to your child. No matter how old you are or how sick or scared the little child within you is, it needs to be wanted and loved. Keep telling your inner child, I want you and I love you. It is the truth for you. The universe wants you here, and that's why you are here. You have always been loved and will always be loved throughout eternity. You can live heavily, you can live happily ever after, and so it is.
Yeah. Thank you so much for reading this. It is such a beautiful meditation, no? Wordings are so beautiful.
Actually, yes.
I mean, even if you listen to it yourself and let your inner child feel it will give you so much of peace, so much of self, that sense of belonging. जब हम बच्चे को डांट देते हैं किसी को तो उसको ये लगता है कि शायद they don't love me, I don't belong here. But this meditation and these words, if you keep saying to your children, तो उनको कितना अच्छा महसूस होगा, क्योंकि ये सुन के हमको कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yes.
I remember when I was a child, I think 4 or 5 years old. I was the first grandchild in my family. And I was born after 10 years of my parents' marriage. So I remember my grandfather, he was quite a, tall and hefty guy. And though I was 5 years old, he will pick me up, he will carry me, and he will keep pressing my feet. You know what he used to say? 10 साल तेरे को हमारा घर ढूंढने में लग गए, तेरे पैर थक गए होंगे.
Wow.
I still remember, it still echoes in my ears, I was just 4 or 5 years old. But वो मुझे आज भी याद है कि वो मुझे इतनी बड़ी उनकी तोंद होती थी. And he used to carry me, गोदी में उठा के मुझे चलते थे और मेरे पैर दबाते थे ऐसे ऐसे करके कि बच्चा हमारा घर ढूंढने में तुझे बहुत टाइम लगा ना, तेरे पैर थक गए होंगे. Imagine ऐसे कोई प्यार से आपको बोले that we are so blessed that you came into our lives. We were waiting for you. We are so blessed that you chose us, our family. कितना अच्छा महसूस होगा ना. मतलब इनर चाइल्ड को तो लग ही रहा है, आपके बच्चों को कितना अच्छा लगेगा कि आप अगर अपने बच्चों को ऐसे बोलोगे. And you will create such a beautiful bond with them, because they will start believing that no matter what, my parents are there with me, they will always be loving me. मैं कुछ भी करके आ जाऊं, मुझे प्यार जरूर करेंगे. वो डांट भी लेंगे पर मुझे प्यार जरूर करेंगे. मुझसे कभी नफरत नहीं करेंगे या मुझे कभी प्रताड़ित नहीं करेंगे कि तूने ये किया, तूने वो किया, and all that. They will understand me. It's a beautiful chapter, यार. मतलब मुझे बहुत ही बड़ा ना अच्छा सा लग रहा है मेडिटेशन वाले वर्डिंग सुनने के बाद. I don't know what is your experience.
Yes.
How are you guys feeling about it?
Ma'am, actually, after listening to this meditation, I also felt like Wasim was born to me after 6 years.
Okay.
So I do keep pampering him sometimes. Whenever he comes and like from outstation and all, when he comes, I really hug him and, I really tell him, we miss you. We missed you so much.
Yeah.
I have made a video also when I was telling him that, when you were born, when you were 5 months old, I used to never feel like leaving you and going. So he's telling that time I was 5 months. Now I'm 22 years. Now why you're not going to office? He's telling, are you now I'm 22 years. Still you feel the same? Yes, I told him, yes, I still feel because you meet me after such a long time.
Yeah. He's a very nice kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he made that video. He shooted that video also. I'll put it on the group.
Yeah. Yeah. Please do that. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Archana, how are you feeling after this? How are you going to treat Daksh now?
Uh, Ma'am, I realized that many times I say don't, don't. So I choose to say that, it's okay, that I have to imbibe. And ma'am, one thing I keep telling Daksh many a time that we have photos of our honeymoon and he keeps saying that I am not there. Where was I? So we keep telling him, that, that time you were playing with God and we were praying to God कि मुझे दक्ष को भेज दो मेरे पास. तो गणेश भगवान ने मेरे तुमको एक काबा बना के चूहा बना के हम लोग के पास भेज दिया.
That was sweet.
Because very
Yeah, Archana, we can't hear you. I think there's some internet issue.
Ma'am, now you can hear me?
Yeah. If you want, you can switch off your video because that could be taking a. Yeah.
So I really tell him this, कि God has sent for you, us for you, ताकि हम लोग हंसे खेले. I always say this, and I'm happy I said that. I'm really happy.
Good. Very good. And I'm really proud of the way you are raising Daksh, and the magic and this mirror work happened at the right time
Yes,
to you.
ma'am.
To you.
I'm so happy, ma'am. I'm so happy. Like, jitna flaws, Bhagwan, it's saving me to do good. It's teaching me to do good things, rather.
Yeah. Right.
It's really teaching me to do good things. I'm very happy. Thanks to you, ma'am, and thanks to this book. But still,
Thanks to
ma'am,
the
I really,
universe.
yes, ma'am. ऐसे लगता है कि वो एक शहद का जो ड्रॉप भी नहीं गिरा प्रॉपरली बुक का.
Yeah.
अभी
It
तक
needs
चक्के
it needs a lot of work to be done.
lot
Yes.
of work.
So maybe a little later we'll start it again, and we'll start and with people who are really committed of 21 days. पूरा अपना schedule वगैरह देख के ताकि आप लोग पूरा अपना time लगा पाओ उस पे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we would plan it again because this is one book which एक बार पढ़ के तो कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. कुछ भी
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
थोड़ा सा हिलेगा कुछ, but if you really want to transform our lives, then we need to practice this more rigorously.
हम प्याज की एक लेयर ही नहीं है अभी तो हिली. सफाई हुई.
Yeah. What about you, Meenu? ये meditation सुन के कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा मैम, बहुत अच्छा. वेरी नाइस. वो इनर चाइल्ड मेरे को तो अपना बचपन याद आ रहा था. How I was treated.
Yeah.
It was good and अपने अंदर भी बहुत modifications आ रहे हैं. Being a parent of two little kids I am.
Yeah.
I have. तो वैसे भी कुछ improvements तो मैजिक करने के बाद ही हुई हैं. अब लगता है और improve हो जाएगी parenting. क्योंकि सेल्फ क्रिटिक बंद हुआ है, मेरा काफी चेंज हुआ है.
Okay, I have a request to make. Whenever you are sharing, at least at that time, switch on your video, please.
Actually, I'm sitting in very dark. My husband is sleeping.
Okay, fine.
Obviously, I don't open.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
So I have a गुड लर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस बुक। अब ये आज का चैप्टर सुनकर तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे लग रहा है कि बच्चों को मैं ऑलरेडी सिखा रही हूँ, बट देयर इज लिटिल मोर टू बी एडेड।
Yes.
अब वो एड अप हो जाएंगे। आई डू पैम्पर माई चाइल्ड, और बड़े प्यार से उनको बिठाती हूँ। और मैजिक करने के बाद तो हम सब मिलके जब मैजिक करते हैं, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, मेरा बेटा बोलता है मम्मी कितनी बार बुलवाओगे थैंक यू। मैं कहा ना, अनहद, माय सन्स नेम इज अनहद। अनहद इधर आ, ये देख ये दिया ना तेरे को, ये पापा लेकर आया है। अच्छा थैंक यू मम्मा। उसको समझ आएगा कि मम्मा ने मेरे से थैंक यू ही बुलवाना है। थैंक यू गॉड फॉर दिस। आज हम थैंक यू गेम खेलते हैं, फिर हम कई बार कुछ मिनट्स के लिए थैंक यू गेम खेलते हैं।
And also start
Wow.
playing glad game with them. So that will really, I found that very interesting. The glad game,
Yeah,
Yeah.
gratitude magic.
Yeah. Yeah, Varun.
मैं तो फिर से बच्चा बन गया।
दिल तो बच्चा है जी।
दिल तो बच्चा है जी। बिल्कुल अंदर का बच्चा वो बिल्कुल जो अंदर के छुपा हुआ था ना, वो उभर के सामने आ गया। So I have really, अगर इस मेडिटेशन वाली एक्सरसाइज की बात करें, तो I can really collect कि जब छोटा था, like how I was so innocent, I was so joyous, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, बस अगर मम्मी ने आके कुछ बोल दिया तो बस मुंह पकड़ के बैठ गए। Now I can clearly see कि उनके पीछे उनका कमिटमेंट ही था, that she always been running after me कि मुझे कोई नुकसान ना हो जाए, मैं लाइफ में ग्रो करता रहूं, मैं औरों से पीछे ना रह जाऊं। तो उनका कंसर्न था, वो मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है। At the same time, I'm in love with myself. तो इस बच्चे को जीना है बस, मेरे को इस चाइल्ड को ना स्पेस देना और ग्रो करने के लिए।
Yeah. खेलने के लिए, खुल के जीने के लिए,
हम गलतियां करने के लिए, डू एन नंबर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स यार, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है ना, कुछ गलतियां हो भी जाएंगी तो क्या हो जाएगा।
That's right. We'll learn from it and move forward.
Yes.
और क्या? Great. Yeah, Pramila.
Okay. What is happening here? Okay, actually, really speaking, koi bhi meditation ho, I just go to sleep. So I don't realize what's happening. So, but the thing is, I find hard to come back after meditation. So I don't realize what happened. Kuch dhyan nahi rehta. I'm just in quite calm and peaceful. So in today's meditation, I just remembered one thing. I don't remember how my daughter was, now she's 23. So she has been always a cheerful girl, so we always loved her dances. So those things came up to my attention. And something I remembered about myself, how my dad and mom pampered me. We were in Ethiopia when I was little. And I was fond of reading books and all that. So मैं जैसे ही आऊँगी, अपनी bag खोलूँगी, take my books out. So my dad will say, no, first eat and then do everything else. So yes, that means I was loved a lot. That means shows that, So I just refreshed those things, yes. Very few things. So I was actually sleeping most of the time.
Yeah. So you have this book with you. So just read this meditation yourself. Slowly, just read it.
Yeah, मैं जब मैं सुनती हूँ, I go to bed. Yeah, जब मैं सुनती हूँ before the night, before going to bed, it just makes me sleepy.
Okay, so today when I shared the video, this thing, meditation, just listen to it during the day also.
Yeah.
Just sit down and just listen to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you will be able to understand and what all words are being said and how soothing and how powerful are they.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, we have got just one more day, that is tomorrow. And so keep practicing your mirror work and your affirmations. And I will share this Jessica's affirmations. I'll just look for it and share it in the group. And that book, that story also, if I can find it, or if somebody else can look for it and just share it in the group. I will look for the video, this thing, affirmations video, and somebody else, if somebody can look for that story, who would like to do that? If you can just look for that story and post it in the group.
Yeah, I will check it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. And keep practicing and keep loving yourself. Keep loving the child inside you and give lots of love to the children around you. Okay.
Thank you.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Bye.